Guys, I'm back. Today am I going to buy some stuff for someone is in our house, like my mom's friend and my dad's friend. And I'm going to buy for someone, for my mom's friend and like that, and my friend, like my mom's friend and her friend has a kid, so there's 20, bro. Ain't no way, brother. It is fun. I am here. I have some more though. Let's see. I am driving at one hand. And it is kind of hard, but it's not hard. So let's go. So she said like a Coke. So I'm going to buy a Coke. I am in Sweden and it is a little coupe. See, coupe. Drinks is not here, so we got to go a little bit down. Wait, drive this way. Look down. Drive this way. Yeah, guys, I am gassing. Where's Coke? I'm seeing Coke. Where's all the best Coke? Ain't no way. Guess it is here. So 1.5. It is just what I need. Fuck. Actually, I'm sorry. I just dropped it. And yeah, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. So let's just I don't know what the fuck this is. No, nothing good to buy. I don't feel like it. I'm getting it, boy. I must buy it.
Нет, иди сюда. Нет, иди сюда, Миля, я сказала.